In this video, I'll show you how you can change name servers on Porkbun. So this is very simple. You just need to go to your domain management. So click on your account and then domain management. And from here, you need to choose your domain for which you want to change name servers. And then click on these details to expand more information about this domain. And from here, you will see your name servers. So those are Porkbun default ones. And if you want to change it, you just need to click on this pencil next to the name servers. And from here, if you change them, it can take up to 48 hours to update. So let's say I have my Vercel name servers. So I'm gonna just paste them here. And then I'm gonna click on submit. And it will change your name servers. So as you can see now, I have those Vercel name servers. And keep in mind, if you are using custom name servers, you can't add like DNS record. So if I click on DNS record, it will show you your domain isn't currently using default servers. So you can click on. So if you want to change it back, you just need to click on pencil again. And from here, just click on use our default name servers and submit. And this will reset your name servers. So this is how you can change name servers on Porkbun. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.